Yebo, hello. Option mashaka in Notakambana Bana Vituramina, Mina Mandla Gingirikani Wakamashaba, coming to you live in Guyana. I'm currently talking about organizations that you need to join as a musician in order for you to earn music royalties. And one of the organizations that I spoke about previously is SAMRO, and I also spoke about the which one? Yeah, it's always SAMRO. It's so funny that so many people think that by joining SAMRO it's done, that's it. You know, you also need to join the RISA. You need to go to RISA. RISA is an organization that is there. They're in Randburg, just there behind SuperSport, I think, behind Multi Choice, if I'm not mistaken, in Randburg. So please go there and register with RISA, the recording industry of South Africa, because these guys, they help you get a code. This is a code that is used by radio stations if your music is played on radio. It's used by TV stations if your video is being played on TV, on different platforms, or even streaming sites. You know, they use this IRC code to track your music, that how many times did we play Gingirikani's song this month. So they use that code, because this is how it works. So radio stations play your music, right? TV stations will play your music, but then they are required to fill a form every time they play music to say, at this time I played Gingirikani's song. And then per month SAMRO is able to check, because those forms are submitted to SAMRO by radio stations, but then they use codes to say Gingirikani's song played this time, and then by using the code. So radio stations use a code, your code that they supply to you, or SAMRO use the code that they get from RISA to see how many times a radio station played your music, so that you are able to get what you deserve, so that they know how much they owe you. So if you don't have that code, you are doomed. They're not gonna know how many times they played your song. So RISA is a recording industry of South Africa that helps to track how many times radio stations played your music, how many times so and so played your music, so that you are able to earn music royalties, you know. So I'm just here to say, please go there and join with them. Make sure you register with them. They're in Randburg, or you can also do it online. I'm gonna leave a link here just below the video to help you join this guy, so that you're able to be tracked, so that they know how many times they played you. It could be on jukebox, radio, TV, online, YouTube, all those streaming platforms. They use the codes, because sometimes I know that if you join a streaming site, they say, okay, use our own, or you can use yours, you know. So if you already have a code, you're able to supply them with a code, and then use your own code, so that whenever your music is streamed online, whenever your music is played on radio, they are able to track. So make sure you go out there and register with RISA. Make sure you go there. If you can even go physically, register RISA, because you already have music that is out there streaming on YouTube, on iTunes, or on radio, or different platforms, or jukebox. You know, you are able to be tracked, and then they can tell you how much they owe you because of how many times they played you per month. So I hope you understand that one. It's so easy, straightforward. Please go there, guys, and register with RISA, and then so that you don't go hungry. In the next video, I'll be talking about Capasso and Sampra. We'll see which one comes first. Salute.